morning, we're gonna drop off a gift to a friend. Let's go. What did she say?
Test kitchen. Ay!
They're canceled. Hi, today we're gonna be making Croquembouche. It's done. We don't know. So hard to do, so we highly recommend using chopsticks. It's so much easier.
This is uni, or sea urchin from Maine. It's one of my favorite sea urchin.
Excuse the messy hair, but Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. We went from classy to barbaric, but it's worth it. Hey everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. First things first, Merry belated Christmas and Happy Holidays to those who don't celebrate Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful past few days, and I hope you've taken time to rest, relax, and spend time with your loved ones. If you have not, I hope you take a few days before the new year to reflect on this past year and to take a break and rest, because it's been a very difficult year, and I hope you take some time to rest and relax. Okay, so as you can tell from the vlog, it's been a few days and a lot of things have happened. We finally made that croquembouche that I talked about in the past video, and we made a feast on Christmas Eve, which we normally don't do. Don't get me wrong, that was the first time we've ever bought lobster. I think I've only had like lobster twice in my life. Once at like a random steakhouse here, and I think once in Korea possibly. Oh, and then I had a lobster roll in Japan. Okay, 3 times in my life, but that's very little considering some people probably eat it quite a bit. But yeah, it was such a treat, and honestly, we got it for a steal, so that's why we had such an extravagant meal, but we normally don't do that. So that was my little disclaimer, but it was such a wonderful past few days. I hope you don't mind that I took a few days off with like the video editing, because I was getting a little burnt out and I thought I would just enjoy the holidays, especially Christmas Eve and Christmas Day and my birthday, which is the 26th, because you know, those are special days to me. It's my favorite time of year, so I thought I would just savor the moment and enjoy it with my family. Before I forget, I should probably mention that most of the journaling for this video and for the next video was actually done on December 27th. I actually didn't journal on the day of the 23rd and 24th. I was just way too tired to work on spreads that day. But I hope you understand, and you might see me move from different spreads from time to time. I tried my best to edit it so it's more seamless, but if you see an odd jump cut, I apologize, but that's the reason why. I was actually journaling after the fact. But in terms of this spread specifically, I had tons of things to work with, because on the 24th, I actually opened my gifts. And, well, technically it's the 25th, like at midnight, but I think it's a common Filipino tradition for people to open their gifts on the 25th at midnight. So you stay up all night on the 24th, and then you open your gifts at midnight on the 25th. And yeah, so I decided to just use this ephemera that came with a lot of the gifts, and that's why there's tons of stuff on the table right now. But this fun tissue paper is from a hat that I received, and I think it's from a brand called A Friend of a Friend. I actually don't know this brand, but the hat is beautiful. I love it so much, and I absolutely love the packaging it came with. It came with this hand stamped what is this called? Tissue paper? Yeah, hand stamped tissue paper. And I decided to actually glue that on, which is, you know, something that I'm trying to try out more, since I'm not a big fan of glue. But I used my glue stick from Kokuyo, which is the square one, which I've been loving. And I actually was hesitant about gluing this down to the spread because I didn't want to cover up that fun print that I had there already. But I realized that this would be is it transparent or translucent? It's translucent. Transparent would be all the way see-through. So it's translucent, so you can still see the print behind it, which I like. And it kind of mutes it down, and we get like a double torn edge look, because we have like a little torn edge on the left-hand side of the spread, and now we have some on the right-hand side of the spread. I also incorporated this fun card from my friend, and it actually has this fun mountain motif, which I really like. You've probably seen me draw these types of mountains a lot, and I really like how it's just like a simple black and white ink drawing, which I love. And then I proceeded to, I thought I was gonna just like end it there and like keep it more minimal, but no, I went a little bit more wild. I got this other, I guess I'm journaling about my hats that I received. My sister got me this toque or beanie. It's like green argyle. I love it a lot. It comes with a matching scarf. Oh, it's so nice. So I included the tag that came with that. It's from the J.W. Anderson and Uniqlo collaboration that they do all the time. But I really enjoy J.W. Anderson. It's just a little too expensive. So I enjoy that there's collaborations between them and Uniqlo because I really like the pieces that they make. But this toque was really cute, and I really wanted to make sure I journal about it because it was a really fun gift that I enjoyed. I actually was kind of running out of things to not running out of things to add, but I was a little bit unsure what to add because there's just so much, and I knew a lot of stuff wasn't going to make it because the size was just too big. So I just added some of these pine cones, these like pine sprigs, I think. I don't know. It's like these wintry greenery sticker sheet PET tape type thing that I guess they're kind of like PET tapes because they have a backing, but you still have to cut the little designs out. So it's kind of like transfer stickers in a way. I don't know. It's just a weird hybrid, but I ordered some from, where are these from? I don't remember. Might have been from, I don't know. I've had these for a while. Maybe Cute Things from Japan, but I think I ordered it a few, maybe last year, but never got around to using it. I think I ordered it before December Daily for last year to use it because it was very wintry, but never got around to using it. And I found it when I was cleaning my stash of like stationery and cleaning my drawers. So yeah, I'm really excited that I have that, and I can't wait to use it in like future journal with me's. And then I added more of these stickers that came with a gift that I received. And then I actually kind of moved around and ended up using this little design that my friend made me for my card, and I cut it down and wanted to incorporate it into this cover of this December Daily just to add a little more collage-y elements on it, and I think it was a nice little touch to add there. I did have a hard time trying to make it fit into this little notepad paper, but in the end it turned out all right. In terms of December Daily, I just wanted to talk about, the future of, I guess, wrapping up December Daily. I don't know why I was beating around the bush there, but December Daily is going to end soon. I just have one more episode, December Daily, day 25 and 26. And then I think we're going to do a flip through, and that's it. But I just want to say thank you again to everyone who has supported this series. It really means a lot to me. I hope you've enjoyed it. And I think this December Daily really helped me realize that I really enjoy this format of documenting. I think I'm going to try and incorporate more of these like mini vloggy portions to my videos here and there, just because it adds a little personal touch, and it kind of provides context to what I did that day. So it makes the journal spread a little bit more meaningful because you kind of see what happened throughout the day. Also, I'm just gonna interrupt my little spiel about December Daily here and say that I realized that I tried to record my journaling here, and then up to this day, it's the 27th. Obviously, I filmed this like today, but I still haven't completed, as you can see, the journaling portion. So I'm probably gonna do that in like a future date because part of me just is in like catch-up mode, trying to catch up for December Daily. But I hope you enjoyed this. It's the last like December Daily journaling video tomorrow, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you tomorrow, and then we'll have one more December Daily, then it's over. So sad. Okay, bye bye.